It is the 14th of September 2024, and these are the specs of the iMac VESA mount stand that I've created for sale. It has two vertical arms that use the geometry of the VESA to support it at desk level at 17.5 degree angle, which is the perfect angle for reading. It's made of recyclable PETG instead of common PLA, so it's better for the environment. It was designed by me within the past year because I was frustrated with the big arm mounts that you have. And so I've used it successfully after design in November of last year. From January to now, I've used it on an iMac VESA and an Apple Studio Display VESA successfully, and I even travel with it.